I know there's 5 more in there.
Ready. .33.
Cool.
0.8 on the first. Well, a fraction under 0.9. 72, 88, 91, 93.
Same deal. Okay, 1 second.
Ready. .04. 6.03. Ready. .49.
I'll shoot these out.
Stand by. .41. Stand by. 3.04. Stand by. 3.43. Stand by. 3.18. 83 on the first. Stand by.
How's it?
3.16. Here.
Are you running both eyes open?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 311.
Nice.
So still
That's no problem for me also.
1.08 for the first shot.
Yeah.
So get that under a second, and but don't rush it, because it's still overall it's good. The split is under half a second to the second shot. Stand by. Ran out. 342. Shooter ready? Stand by. 344. 1.2 to the first shot.
Okay.
0.47 to the second, 5.5 to the third, 6.5 to the fourth, 5.5 to the fifth. Shooter ready? Stand by. 599. 165 to the first shot. Nope. Let me scroll through. Shoot ready. Stand by. .416 ain't bad for a couple of makeups. 416. So 0.88 to the first shot.
Okay.
So under a second. Shooter ready. Stand by. .432. 1 second to the first. Shooter ready. Stand by. 346. 346. 1 second. 1.04 to the first. 0.57. 0.68. 6.2 to the fourth. 5.5 to the fifth. And you should have 5 in there, but if you're competing, you would change anyway.
Oh.
Just to make sure. Plus you have makeup shots if you need them. Because you only get to throw away one bad string. You know what I mean? So, shooter ready? Stand by. 437. Shooter ready. Stand by. 334. 0.84 to the first shot.
.5. 1.07 on the first. Between 5 and 6 on the others. Stand by. 312. Okay. 547.
Yeah.
2.53 between second and third.
I'm just going to shoot these out. I'll just shoot these ones out and then you can shoot the last 3.
Okay.
So maybe I can knock off a star.
Okay. It got 5.
422.
B.
4.5.
Ready. 4.65. Ready. 4.33.
Cool.
Ready.
'Let's see. This is took a ricochet to the ear. Is it still bleeding?
Yeah.
Is it?
I mean,
Yeah.
not as bad, but.